Assalamu alaikum. Let's go today to Arabica coffee shop and see the most popular coffee and coffee recipe there.
Okay. He's my friend. What's your name again?
My name is Kanu.
Okay.
From Kenya, Africa. From this country in Africa.
Yeah, this country in Africa.
Yes, very
Africa
beautiful.
have too much coffee.
Yes, exactly. We are near Ethiopia.
Yeah.
You give me coffee which most popular here.
I'm gonna give you ice duck latte.
Ice dark latte mocha. Okay. Ice dark latte or mocha latte?
Same name.
Okay. Same name. Okay.
Nice one. Ice or hot ice?
Ice. Need to pay fast?
Yes.
Why?
Take away, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
In 1 minute.
Okay. You can show me how to make it? Because I will make this video for a vlog.
Oh, okay.
Okay. What is this dark chocolate?
Yes.
How many gram you
60.
60. How many gram milk?
This one should be 250.
Okay.
Milk should be 200. But you have to mix first.
Okay.
Yes.
You're not using shaker, eh?
No. We are not using sugar.
Shaker have too much problem in cleaning.
Exactly, too much. Yeah.
Okay.
But soon, maybe if they introduce now, you can just use some time.
What kind of coffee you use here?
Beans?
Yeah.
We have Arabica blend and Guatemala.
Okay. So which coffee bean is best?
Best.
Yeah.
People love Arabica blend because it's not too much strong, it's moderate. But some people love the one that is not mixed because Arabica blend is a mixture of Ethiopia and Brazil.
Okay. So please give me best coffee beans.
Arabica blend or Arabica blend.
Okay. How many gram you using it?
Here we use 20 grams.
20 grams.
But most of the shops use between 15 to 18.
You're not using 15 and 18?
No, for us we are using 20.
Okay.
For us 20. But the Arabica shop is always 1.5.
1.5.
Because we are using 20 grams. in 25 seconds.
25 seconds.
Do you use more than 25 seconds? You follow the 18 to 25 seconds?
Actually, we don't follow it as much, but because for us we start the timer after the line is straight.
Yeah. So you can follow 25 seconds. Is best coffee, sir. 25 seconds is coming best coffee.
Yes. That's how it should be.
Yeah.
Yes, you are dark latte mocha.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Enjoy.